Hello everyone, it's Adrienne Cully with Cortison International, and I am here today in our showroom, which is a little noisy, but just ignore the background noise because today I am here to show you our brand new and enhanced features for our brand new single clamp perfect binder, ice binder BQ-300 right here. Today we will produce two different applications, a A5 standard A5 size notebook and a standard A4 size notebook. However, this machine has a variety of options, including variable thickness production from 1 millimeter to 51 millimeters or 2 inches, if that's the measurements you use, and also format sizes from 320 by 320 millimeters and 105 by 135 millimeters. So you have a wide variety of options with this binder. We're going to start with the production. We'll go into some of the features that are inside of the machine, and then I will talk about more of the outer features, design, and isolate. So let's jump right in. I've got Brian behind the camera today, and he is going to zoom in on this measurement here. So let's start. We've got 310. This is a standard A5 size notebook. So let's enter our measurements in here. We've got 310. Register it to the center by 220. And I really don't have to explain much about this process because it's the same easy to use, simple process that we have on all of our binders. Very intuitive, very user friendly. I need to stop talking so I can focus here. 236 numbers and talking just doesn't work. Now, one thing I want to really point out here is how fast the changeover is on the BQ-300. The changeovers are over 50% faster. You're going to see it now. If you blink, you will miss it, so pay attention. Here we go. And it is completed that fast. Faster than I was ready to put our covers in. So there we go. And let's start it up. The first production feature that I really want to highlight is that now when you are producing books, you only have to press one button instead of the two that was on the 270. So that is nice. And even though we only have one button, we have the light curtain that has been enhanced. So we have one button, but increased user safety. Here we go. You can get a good look at this production here. Wonderful. Okay, last book. Now, for our production features, I also want to highlight our new pull-out drawer delivery system. So, this system makes it very easy to pull out the drawer and grab our books, and then push it back in instead of reaching in and grabbing them as such. Here's our A5 size notebooks. Take a look. And let's move on to A4. This one I will be pulling from our memory bank. Let me grab my materials here. And again, you're going to see that super fast changeover. Are you ready? Here we go. Let me grab my covers. Again, the machine was ready before I was. The changeovers are now more accurate as well, so we're really increasing that quality at the same time. Okay, here we go. Let's start it up. We are keeping our production speed of 500 cycles per hour, and the stability of production has now been improved as well. So in addition to that, we should be producing a higher number of books per hour as well. Of course, we still have our variable thickness production, as I mentioned earlier. And on this machine, we have the thickness caliper here right in line with our machine for a continuous and compact design. So you can see here our thickness caliper. That's our last A4 book. Let's see it here in our pull-out delivery section. Again, I'm just pulling out the drawer, grabbing my booklets. They are looking fantastic. And pushing the drawer back in. Super user-friendly and easy to use.